What's up guys, my name's Ethan and today on East Coast Rides I'm going to be swapping out my stock steering wheel for an STI one.
I will also be installing a Cobb short throw shifter.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake?
Before I start working on the steering wheel, what I'm going to do is disconnect my battery so there's no electricity running through the car.
There are two screws that hold on the airbag to the steering wheel.
This steering wheel came off an 06 STI and will perfectly match with the STI swap seats that are currently in the car, overall making the car look more sporty and more appealing. Here's a nice side-by-side shot of each steering wheel, old and new, and you can really see the big difference in the airbag and how much better the STI will look.
The power steering on this car does not work well, so I'm going to be flushing out the old fluid for new fluid at least 3 times.
Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Are you happy now?
In order to move the fluid throughout the system, I turn the steering wheel back and forth for around 3 minutes. steering wheel has been installed and the fluid has been flushed, I'm going to be installing the short throw shifter. First off, I took out the two center console screws and then popped it out, followed by the shift boot trim. Now that these pieces are out of the way, there is a 12mm nut and bolt that holds on the shifter. In order to pop the shifter out of the socket, you have to pull back fairly hard like you're going into gear. To pop the shifter into the socket, you must get a rubber mallet and hit it with a lot of force. By doing this, it should pop in and also not damage any threads. Now that the shifter is in, reassemble it as it was before you started. Driving the car a little bit, the short throw shifter was a great purchase since it made the shifts more crisp than the OEM one. The steering wheel is no different from the OEM one in how it feels while driving, but definitely looks a lot better. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider subscribing.